If you have been dreaming about taking a cruise, whether it's across the Atlantic Ocean, island hopping the Caribbean, or exploring historic Mediterranean ports, you are in the absolute right place. Today, I have compiled 12 insanely good cruise deals happening right now. And when I say insane, I mean pricing that you probably don't even believe is possible. Hello everyone, it's Cynthia, your host from Right Recipe for Travel, and I am back with something absolutely mind-blowing for you today. Now, as both a travel advisor and a travel content creator, I look at cruise rates all the time. I see the price hikes, but I also know where to find the absolute hidden gems. Today, we are breaking down a mix of everything. I'm talking about brand new mega ships packed with thrill rides, beautifully refurbished classic liners, and ultra luxury small ships where everything is taken care of for you. Plus, for my solo travelers, I haven't forgotten about you. For every single one of these 12 deals, I am giving you both the double occupancy rate and the solo traveler rate. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hype this video, grab a cup of coffee, or of course your favorite beverage, and let's dive into these 12 unbelievable cruise steals. We are starting big with transatlantic repositioning cruises. Transatlantic sailings offer some of the lowest per night cost in the entire travel industry, making them an unbelievable value if you love those sea days, because they're packed with sea days. Our first deal is on a true legend, Cunard's flagship, the Queen Mary II. Launched in 2024 as the world's only purpose-built ocean liner, this ship is built specifically to cross the Atlantic with unprecedented stability, elegance, and traditional luxury. The sailing date is September 5th of 2026 for a 7-night eastbound crossing from Southampton, England, straight into New York City. The itinerary is 6 uninterrupted sea days crossing the North Atlantic. This is the ultimate relaxing ocean getaway. The double occupancy rate, just $699 per person for an inside stateroom. That's under $100 a night for world-class dining, afternoon tea, and high elegance. The solo traveler rate is $1,223. Cunard has dedicated single ocean view staterooms and reduced single supplement rates on select crossings, making this surprisingly accessible for solo explorers. Next up, if you want pure, unadulterated luxury, look at Silversea's brand. We're talking about the new Silver Nova, which debuted in 2023. This revolutionary asymmetrical ship offers floor-to-ceiling glass ocean views, open-air venues, and 100% suite accommodations with private butler service. The sailing date is December 9th of 2026. This is a 12-night adventure. The itinerary departs from Lisbon, Portugal, visiting Las Palmas in the Canary Islands and São Vicente in Cape Verde, before you cross over to the tropical Bridgetown, Barbados. The double occupancy rate, $3,950 per person. But keep in mind, this is all-inclusive luxury that covers gourmet dining, premium spirits, fine wines, Wi-Fi, gratuities, and shore excursion credits. Solo traveler rate, $4,937. Silverseas runs a reduced 25% single supplement promo on select crossings, saving solo guests thousands compared to standard luxury rates. For lovers of modern megaships packed with action, let's talk about Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. She was launched in 2021. This quantum ultra class ship features the North Star glass observation capsule, indoor skydiving, and the tech-filled 270 venue. The sailing date is October 25th of 2026. This is a 14-night sailing. The itinerary leaves Rome or Civitavecchia with stops in Florence, Pisa, Barcelona, and the Azore Islands before sailing into Cape Liberty, New Jersey. The double occupancy rate for this travel is $1,487 per person, taxes and port fees included. That's roughly $106 per night for a modern feature-filled ship. Now your solo traveler rate, $2,676 for a solo cabin setup. If you want the absolute lowest price on a 2-week transatlantic voyage, MSC delivers on the MSC Seashore. Built in 2021, the Seashore was specifically re-engineered with expansive outdoor promenade spaces and stunning infinity pools. The sailing date is November 15th of 2026. This is a 14-night sailing. The itinerary departs Barcelona with stops in Marseille, Malaga, and the beautiful island of Madeira before heading to MSC's private island, Ocean Key, and finishing in Port Canaveral, Florida. The double occupancy rate, it's an astonishing $649 per person. That's under $47 a day. The solo traveler rate, $973 due to MSC's reduced 150% single supplement promo on Grand Voyages. Okay, now let's head down to the warm turquoise waters of the Caribbean and the Bahamas. Whether you are looking for like a quick weekend getaway or you want a 7-night tropical vacation, these 4 deals that I'm about to show you will really stand out. So this one will be perfect if you're looking for like this quick weekend getaway. Let's talk about the Carnival Conquest. While she entered service in 2002, Carnival keeps her extremely fresh. In fact, she just came out of a major dry dock refurbishment with upgraded youth areas, a redesigned casino, and the new Heroes Tribute Lounge. The sailing date for this adventure is September 25th of 2026. This is a 3-night sailing. The itinerary is a round trip from Miami featuring a full day at sea and a visit to Carnival's brand new private destination, Celebration Key. The double occupancy rate, $289 per person for an inside stateroom. Those are incredible deals. The solo traveler rate, $518 total. If you want to experience MSC's premier private island, Ocean Key Marine Reserve, well, MSC offers a 3-night-long weekend cruise. So we're headed back on the MSC Seashore. The sailing date for this adventure is September 3rd of 2026. This is a 3-night sailing. The itinerary out of Port Canaveral visits Nassau and spends an extended day or evening at Ocean Key Marine Reserve. The double occupancy rate, only $349 per person. The single traveler rate, $523. For those who prefer upscale, modern luxury in the Caribbean, look no further than the Celebrity Beyond. Okay, I had to interrupt right here to remind some and let the rest of you know about our Coffee Beans and High Seas group cruise. It is on this beautiful ship, the Celebrity Beyond. This leaves May 29th of 2027. Here is the flyer with all of the details. But of course, I will drop the link in the description, as well as pricing. A non-refundable deposit of $50 gets you locked in. All right, let's get back to the video. The Celebrity Beyond was launched in 2022 and helmed by Captain Kate McHugh. This Edge-class ship features multi-level terrace decks, the cantilevered magic bar, and stunning culinary options. The sailing date for this adventure is August 30th of 2026. This is a 7-night adventure. The itinerary is a round trip from Miami to Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic, Tortola, and Saint Martin. The double occupancy rate is $849 per person, taxes and fees all included. The solo traveler rate is $1,358, a great rate for edge class solo staterooms or reduced single supplements. If you consider yourself a true foodie, this deal on Oceana Vista is a dream come true. This ship debuted in 2023. Oceana Vista is focused heavily on upper premium culinary experiences, offering some of the finest cuisine at sea with zero specialty dining surcharge fees. The sailing date is December 14th of 2026, and this is a 7-night adventure. The itinerary departs from Miami and heads over to Cozumel, Roatan, Honduras, Harvest Key, Belize, and Costa Maya, Mexico. The double occupancy rate, $2,160 per person. We're talking about a Veranda suite with specialty dining included. The solo traveler rate, $3,240 using Oceana's reduced solo supplement promotions. Last but certainly not least, let's look across the Atlantic to Europe. Mediterranean cruising can often carry a heavy price tag, but these 4 itineraries are giving unbelievable value. First in Europe is MSC's groundbreaking megaship MSC World Europa. Launched in 2022, this LNG-powered marvel features a 104-meter open-air promenade, an 11-deck dry slide, and 33 distinct restaurant and lounge spaces. The sailing date for this adventure is August 31st of 2026, and this is a 7-night sailing. The itinerary is a round trip from Naples, Italy, visiting Messina, Sicily, Valletta, Malta, Barcelona, Spain, Marseille, France, and Genoa, Italy. The double occupancy rate, $1,280 per person, all taxes and fees included. The solo traveler rate, $1,920. Next is an authentic Italian experience on Costa Smeralda. Built in 2019, this flagship vessel is designed around Italian style, fashion, and cuisine. The sailing date for this adventure is October 10th of 2026. This is a 7-night sailing. The itinerary includes Savona, Italy, Marseille, Barcelona, Palma de Mallorca, Palermo, Sicily, and Rome. The double occupancy rate is an astonishing $689 per person. The solo traveler rate is $964, thanks to Costa's regional solo traveler discount program. If you prefer boutique, small ship cruising with long port stays, take a look at Azamara Quest. Carrying just around 700 guests, this classic R-class ship provides an intimate, destination-focused experience. Plus, she is heading into dry dock for extensive upgrades under the Azamara Forward Revitalization Program. The sailing date for this adventure is October 17th of 2026. This is a 7-night sailing. The itinerary is a round trip from Athens, Greece, visiting Mykonos, Ephesus, Turkey, Rhodes, Santorini, and Crete. The double occupancy rate, $1,899 per person. Now this includes gratuities, select beverages, and an exclusive, amazing evening cultural event. The solo traveler rate, $2,373 with Azamara's ongoing 125% single supplement special. Rounding out our list is a favorite classic liner. We're talking about Celebrity Constellation. Beloved for her traditional layout and exceptional service, she underwent comprehensive updates in 2024 to refresh her main dining rooms, staterooms, and public lounges. The sailing date for this adventure is October 19th of 2026. This is a 7-night sailing. The itinerary departs Venice or Ravenna, Italy, visiting Trieste, Dubrovnik, Croatia, Kotor, Montenegro, Corfu, and Zakynthos, and finishing in Athens. The double occupancy rate, just $799 per person. The solo traveler rate, $1,358. All right, I've got to know, which one of these 12 deals was your absolute favorite? Drop it down in the comments. I'd really like to know. And are you ready to cross the ocean on the Queen Mary 2? Or maybe eat your way through the Caribbean on Oceana Vista? Or island hop the Greek Isles with Azamara? Or have you already sailed on any of these ships? We'd love to hear your experience. Drop it down in the comments below. I do need to let you know, cruise pricing and promotions, well, they change rapidly. If you saw a deal here that you want to lock in, or if you need help finding the right stateroom, organizing group travel, planning like your pre-cruise hotel stay, or securing your room for our group cruise, reach out to me. As a professional travel advisor, my goal is to make sure that you get the right recipe for travel. Hence the name of the channel. All right, check the description box down below for links and for all of my contact information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hype the video, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another cruise update, travel breakdown, great deals, cruise news, and much, much more. And also, we go live on Tuesday evenings at 7 p.m. Central. So come on and join the fun on Tuesdays. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy cruising. And we will catch you at the next adventure.